Today, we are going to explore how to set up work shifts on the SCADADroid's website. On the SCADADroid's website, work shifts are used to notify specific contacts in the phone book when there is an alarm. The default shift is 24/7, aka all the time. To set up a shift, click on the Work Shifts tab here. Next, click on the Add Shift button. For this demonstration, we will name this shift Shift A. There are two different types of shifts that we can select, a day shift or a week-by-week shift. If a contact works for a week and then is off the next week, you would want to use the week option. On the other hand, if a contact works for a week but only works Monday to Friday the next week, then the day option would be better. For this example, we will have a Shift A and a Shift B, and both will use the day option. The next step is to select the start date for the shift. After this, click on the Configuration button over here. A dialog box will appear with a chart. Each row of the chart is a day instead of a shift like the main screen. This chart shows a 24/7 application. For this demonstration, we will have a 2-week shift, with Shift A working the whole first week, and then Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on the second week. For the first week, we'll click on the No drop-down in the Full Day column and select Yes. Doing this for days 0 to 6 will indicate that Shift A is on all the time for the first week. Let's say that day 0 is Sunday and day 6 is Saturday. In the Day Off column, let's give Shift A a break by clicking the Yes in the drop-down. To schedule the specific times for the second week, type the start and stop times into their respective columns. Please note that this program works with a 24-hour clock, so instead of typing 5 o'clock for 5 p.m., type in 17 o'clock. We'll mark the last day for Shift A as another day off. Next, click on the Add Shift button again to make Shift B. Select the day option and the same start date. For this example, the weeks will be swapped. Shift B will be on Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. for the first week, and then on call 24/7 for the second week. When we go back to the Phone Book tab over here, we now have 2 more options for shifts. Let's select Shift A for Anne and Shift B for Bob. Because of our settings that we chose for each shift, both Anne and Bob will be notified during the workday, but only Anne will be notified during the night for week 1, and only Bob for week 2. The Work Shifts tool is very helpful because you can make many different types of shifts. Just click on the Work Shifts tab, click Add Shift, select the day or week option, and configure the shift, and it's ready to go. For more tutorials about Rionix's SCADADroid, please go to our website and click on support videos. Thank you for watching.